What happens when a court questions the legality of a search operation? Commercial quantities of codeine phosphate and tramadol seized from godown. Commercial quantities of psychotropic substances seized from godown. Petitioner alleged to be operating multiple pharmaceutical entities. Court grants regular bail, questioning legality of search operation. The safeguard embedded in Section 42 of the NDPS Act is intended to ensure contemporaneous recording and transmission of information by the officer who receives it, so as to preclude the possibility of reinterpretation, embellishment or interpolation at a later stage. In a significant development, the Delhi High Court has granted regular bail to a petitioner accused of operating multiple pharmaceutical entities involved in the procurement, storage, and supply of psychotropic substances. The case was registered under Sections 22 and 29 of the NDPS Act at Special Cell, Delhi. The prosecution alleged that commercial quantities of codeine phosphate and tramadol were recovered from the godown of Sunrise Pharma at the instance of the petitioner. However, the petitioner contended that all the concerned firms held valid pharmaceutical licenses and that the medicines recovered were part of licensed stock supported by invoices and bills. The court observed that where the legality of the search itself becomes arguable on account of alleged infraction of a mandatory statutory safeguard, such circumstance becomes relevant while examining the rigours of Section 37 of the NDPS Act. The bench further noted that the safeguard under Section 42 of the NDPS Act requires contemporaneous recording and transmission of information by the officer who receives it. Was this verdict fair or did the judge go too far? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. If you're accused of drug-related offences, remember that courts must now scrutinize the legality of search operations. File a complaint with the NDPS authorities within 48 hours to challenge the search warrant. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.